Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson is adverbs. In last video I explained you the way of identifying an adjective. So today we are going to talk about or discuss on adverbs. Let's see what is an adverb. Adverbs are the words which modify verbs, telling us how often, when or where something was done. Please note that adverbs modify adjectives and another adverb. Here are some examples to get an idea on adverbs. First one, she runs slowly. So how she runs? She runs slowly. The word slowly is the adverb here. You look absolutely pretty. The adjective pretty is described by the adverb absolutely. They spoke extremely well. There are two adverbs mentioned in this sentence. Here you can identify extremely and the adverb well. The adverb well is modified by the other adverb extremely. Let's see some videos. He grills sausages quickly. So if you make a question to find out the adverb, you can make a question with word half and find the adverb. How he grills sausages? He grills quickly. Next, she cuts the cake neatly. Here neatly is the adverb. How she cuts the cake? She cuts it neatly. She spends her day cheerfully. How she spends her day? Cheerfully. She spends her day cheerfully. They dance really. How do they dance really? How do they dance? They dance really. Right. Now, let's see what are the types of adverbs. There are 5 types of adverbs. Adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. There is very important fact. To create adverbs we normally add ly. For an example, bad plus ly becomes badly. Then immediate plus ly becomes immediately. But please notify this, we have irregular adverbs as well, like in adjectives. If we take adjective good, we don't say goodly as in the adverb. The adverb of good is not goodly, it is well. So adverbs describe or modify verbs. Adverbs can describe or modify verbs. Example, teacher teaches clearly. How does she or he teach? Clearly. Again, adverbs describe or modify adjectives as well. Teacher teaches very clearly. How teacher does her teaching? She does it very clearly. Adverbs modify another adverb. This is very special because adverbs modify another adverb. Example, teacher teaches extremely well. How does she teach well? She teaches extremely well. Right. Now, let's discuss types of adverbs clearly. Now here adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where something happens. Adverbs of place are usually placed after the main verb or after the clause that they modify. Adverbs of place do not modify adjectives or other adverbs. If I tell some adverbs, a few adverbs, around, everywhere, back, in, nearby, outside. Please note that there are some prepositions we can use as adverbs, but it depends on the situation that it used. Next type, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happened, but also for how long and how often. Adverbs of time are stable. They are extremely common in English. That means when we speak in English, in our day-to-day conversations, we use these words. Let's see what are those words. Tomorrow, yesterday, now, later, today, previously. So next type is adverbs of manner. So we have a clue. It is adverbs of manner. Yes, adverbs of manner tell us how something happens or the way something is done. Let's see what are the adverbs of manner mentioned in my video. So the first one is well, second one is lovely, beautifully, loudly, softly, badly. You can find out for the most of adverbs we can add ly to the end of the word, and most probably those words are adjectives. So we have that clue. Adjective can be turned into an adverb as well. Right. Now the next type, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree describe how much or to what degree. In other words, adverbs of degree tell us more about the intensity of the verb in the sentence. Right? Let's see what are the examples, then you all can understand what is this adverbs of degree. Extremely, quite, just, very, too, enough, almost. Next time, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency let us know how often the verb occurs. They mostly modify verbs, and these adverbs tend to appear right before the main verb in the sentence. Again, I am telling, they mostly modify verbs. This is adverbs of frequency. They mostly modify verbs, and these adverbs tend to appear right before the main verb in the sentence. Last type, adverbs of frequency. Yes, there are some examples. Again, always, never, normally, rarely, seldom, sometimes, usually. Right. This is enough for today, and I hope you can get something from my video, and I hope to bring you some new videos in future, and I hope you all will enjoy this. See you soon. Bye bye.